Can every whole number be broken down into smaller prime numbers? Yes, and it's called as prime factorization. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math, and in today's video we will understand in a very simple manner what is prime factorization and how do we find the prime factors of a number. Let's get started. Prime factorization means finding all those prime factors of a number which when multiplied give me the resulting number. For example, let's say I take the example of 18 here. To find the prime factorization of 18, we have to break down 18. When I say break down 18 means we will think of two whole numbers which when multiplied I get 18. Now we know that 6 times 3 is 18. Now after breaking down, whenever you get a prime number, put a box around it. Now 6 is not a prime number. We know 6 is a composite number because 6 is made up by multiplying 2 and 3, and 6 is a composite number. Now 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so now I will put box around 2 and 3. After breaking down the complete number and coming down to the prime numbers, all the numbers that are boxed are the prime factors of 18, and the prime factorization of 18 here is 2 times 3 times 3. Let's understand by one more example. Let's say I have to find prime factorization of a very big number such as 90. Now 90's prime factorization seems intimidating, but whenever you have a 90, 80, something like this, we know that 9 times 10 is 90, right? So we will separate the 9 and 10. Now we know that both of these are not prime numbers and both are composite. So we will further break it down. We know that 9 is 3 times 3. And as soon as I'll get a prime number, I'll put a box around it. And 10 is 5 times 2. 5 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number. And therefore, the prime factorization of 90 is 3 times 3 times 5 times 2. Now we have found out all the prime factors of 90, and this is the prime factorization of 90. Now it's your turn. Find the prime factorization of 36 and remember, break down 36 until every factor is prime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, math gets easier with practice. Happy learning. Wish you the best.